this going to be an 8th World Championship for Lewis Hamilton? Can at a place find a way past Hamilton? The first real overtaking zone usually comes down at turn.
नहीं यार, नो नो नो, फिर से हो गया यार.
अरे क्या हुआ? क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? What happened?
यार फिर से पीसी क्रैश हो गया राइट बिफोर द फिनिश लाइन. आई वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू विन द रेस यार. अब हर टाइम यही होएगा, मैं कैसे रेसिंग करूंगा? करना ही नहीं है मुझे यार.
फेस्टिव सीजन चल रहा है. Maybe I should gift Adi a new gaming PC.
Hi, I want to gift my husband the best PC for gaming and sim racing. What are my options?
क्या है ये सब? हेलो? ये मेरे लिए है.
Yes.
चल बनाते हैं.
And here it is. This is going to be the ultimate gaming and sim racing PC. So let's talk about the components real quick. Starting off with the motherboard. This is the Gigabyte Aorus Z890 Elite X Ice Edition. इसमें है PCIe 5.0 support, तो future proof PC है एकदम. It uses premium power stages and high-end VRM design. ताकि CPU पे एकदम stable power deliver होए even if you're overclocking. This motherboard is the king of connectivity. Multiple USB 3.2 ports, Thunderbolt headers and high-speed networking, LAN and Wi-Fi पे. DDR5 memory support ताकि हम high megahertz की sticks run कर सके and मेरे जो भी games है उसमें ultra low latency and super responsive feel आए. It also has a lot of cooling and durability features. M.2 slots are reinforced with thermal guards and advanced cooling zones that makes the build look extremely futuristic. And ये रहा इस build का brain, the Intel Core Ultra 9285K. It has 24 cores and next-gen architecture. It blends high-performance cores and efficiency cores for raw speed plus multitasking. It has insane single-core performance, which is perfect for racing sims, जहाँ पे single-thread speeds बहुत ज़्यादा important होती हैं. Ultra series has built-in AI acceleration, which boosts rendering, streaming, and productivity capabilities. And because it's the K series, it means it's unlocked for overclocking. And powering all of this is the Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5080 Aero OC SFF 16GB graphic card. This is a powerhouse. ये card factory overclocked आता है, so it has higher clock speeds running right out of the box. It also has ray tracing and DLSS 4.0 along with AI frame generation. And of course, it's got the white aesthetic wind force cooling. बहुत ही ज़्यादा cool design है. I think it's one of the best looking cards I've ever seen. और फिर आती है हमारी Aorus Waterforce X2 360 Ice. It has a triple fan 360mm radiator, a full LCD display on the pump, and the best part, it runs very silently. And powering all of this, we have the Aorus Elite P1000 watt 80 plus platinum modular power supply. इसका 1000 watt can easily handle my RTX 5080 and कोई भी future upgrades. 80 plus platinum efficiency ताकि energy less waste होए, heat output lower रहे और long term stability मिले. Fully modular cable, so we only need to use what's needed. And साथ ही Aorus Gen 4 2TB NVMe SSD जिसमें मैं अपने सारे games आसानी से रन कर सकता हूँ. इस PC में 32GB DDR5 RAM ताकि sim racing, gaming, streaming and editing सारी बहुत आसानी से हो सके. And ये सब जाएगा इस केस में. This is the Gigabyte C500 Panoramic Stealth Ice Edition. इसमें front and side tempered glass है ताकि पूरा build completely show off कर सके. And again, the white finish and the minimalist accents मेरी ice theme को completely match करते हैं. And the best part, it also has great airflow with plenty of vents and support for multiple fans and radiators. And last but not the least, मेरा dream monitor, the Aorus CO49DQ 49-inch OLED ultra wide monitor. ये 49-inch curved ultra wide है. OLED technology है, so the blacks are perfect. There's infinite contrast and the colors are so vibrant. It has 144 Hz refresh rate and 0.03 millisecond response time. And here is the finished build, the Gigabyte Aorus Stealth Ice PC. बहुत ही cool लग रहा है and I'm so excited to test it out and try it across different games and titles.
So guys, PC is completely ready. You guys have already seen the specs. इसमें क्या क्या है. The only thing now left is to set it up with the SimRig and test it out in all of my sim racing games. And थोड़े बहुत हम लोग RPG games भी try कर लेंगे. So let's hook it up and I'll show you the before and after of my gaming room.
And there it is guys, ये पूरा Ice Edition Sim Racing and Gaming PC. Z890 Elite X motherboard, RTX 5080 Aero और ये जबरदस्त 49 इंच OLED अल्ट्रा वाइड. हर पार्ट सिंक में काम करता है, जैसे परफेक्टली ड्रिल्ड पिट स्टॉप, स्मूथ, फास्ट एंड रिलायबल. आई नो थोड़ा ओवरकिल है, लेकिन रेसिंग में कभी ओवरकिल बुरा होता है क्या? बिग शाउट आउट टू Gigabyte and Aorus. सीरियसली आप लोगों ने सिर्फ एक पीसी नहीं दिया, एक पूरा रेसिंग गराज बना के दे दिया है मुझे. इफ यू guys like this PC build, then make sure to subscribe to Aorus India's YouTube channel and also follow Aorus India on Instagram.